Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to wish you and your family a happy and a safe Diwali. Okay, so some continuing from yesterday's topic. Okay, so the last question which I explained yesterday, I told you that you can understand this question once I teach you how to represent on number line. Okay, it's a number line representation. Once you get the topic, then you'll understand that question. So that's why so today we are going to learn that, but before that, I'm going to teach you some symbols use which will be using these symbols in the due course. Okay, so yeah, first symbol which represents here is dark circle. This is called dark circle. So what does this mean? What does a dark circle mean? It means that when any value is included in the answer. So first keep writing what I'm writing. Just keep writing that. You'll understand what are these meanings in the next few minutes. Okay. Next one is hollow circle. It means that when any value is excluded from when any value is any value is this is actually that is included. Any value is excluded from the answer. Okay. So next, open bracket. When value, it means that when value is excluded. Next is closed bracket. This is what we call as closed bracket. It means that when value is included. Next one is curly bracket. Sorry. Curly bracket, which means when some values are involved. You'll understand this in the next few minutes. What are these meanings? What it actually means. Okay. Next one is this is called union. This actually it is called like combining. It's combined. So for example, if you say 2 and 3, we can tell it as 2 union 3. That's combining. Actually, you can also it's called combined. Actually, like addition. Okay. Next, what is this? This is called belongs to. Okay, this is the symbol which we used it yesterday. Belongs to. So these are the symbols which we'll use it frequently in the due course. Okay. So now let's go to number line representation. The number line representation. Okay. Uh, we represent usually the number lines are usually represented like this. Where here this is the left end is minus infinity and the right end is plus infinity, and in between comes 0. Okay. uh, so on the right hand side of 0 comes positive values, on the left hand side of 0 are negative values. Okay, so 0 is actually natural. It's actually natural. Okay, it's actually neither positive nor negative. It's neither positive nor it's neither positive nor negative. Okay, uh, these are called non-positive integers. So non-positive numbers, not integers, sorry, my bad. Non-positive numbers, and these are called non-negative numbers. Okay, so it's actually 0 plus positive numbers. Sorry, 0. This is actually 0 plus positive numbers. What about this? These are 0 plus negative numbers. Okay. Okay. So now let's jump into the properties. Okay. So not properties, some examples. So first one, if there's a question like this, if you get a question like this, a is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to b, where x is some number. Okay, even a and b are also numbers. Okay, so suppose in this case a is 3, and we can, so this is an example. Okay, so suppose the example is like this: 3 is less than or equal to x is less than or equals to 5. Okay, so this is the example. So if you think the answer to this question is like this, answer this question like x is equals to 3 comma 4 comma 5, then you're wrong. Okay, you're wrong. Why you're wrong? Because there are infinitely many numbers, such that between 3 and 5 there are so many numbers like 3, 3.01, 3.001, like that it will be going. Then comes 4, then 4.01, 4.001. Again it will go to many decimal values, and then comes 5. Okay, so there are infinite possible values. Infinite possible values. There are actually infinite possible values between 3 and 5. So how do you represent this in a number line? Okay, so as how I represented here, like that only. First draw a sleeping line, then plus infinity minus infinity, and then now 3, 5. Okay, so according to the question here, what x where x is present, it's present between 3 and 5. So the areas, x area, this is the area actually. Okay, so what can I tell is that since it's like x is less than or equals to 3 and sorry, x is greater than or equals to 3 and less than or equals to 5, since there is a equal to symbol here, which means 3 is also 3 and 5 are both are included. So according to the symbols used, when any value is included in the answer, like we usually use these symbols and number line. Okay, this dark circle, hollow circles. Okay, so since 3 and 5 are included, and we join the line. Okay, so how the answer to this question, x belongs to, see, belongs to closed brackets, because since the values are included, closed brackets, when value is included. Okay, x belongs to 3 comma 5. it belongs to 3 comma 5. What is plus infinity? It's a very 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 large number. Very 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 large number. What about minus infinity? It's a very 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 small number. Okay, so write a note here. Actually, as you go from left to right, write a note here. As you go from left to right, you go from left to right, value of number increases. Okay, okay. For example, if I keep like this, if I represent a number like this, alpha and beta, where alpha is some number and beta is some number, according to the number line, it tells us that alpha is less than beta. Okay, another note, please write another note that always use open brackets. I hope you are writing with me only. Okay, always use open brackets, that is this. Okay, for minus infinity and plus infinity. Okay, this is the note. Let's do another example. Suppose it's given like this: 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 7. Then what is the case here? Actually, what will be the solution? It will be represented like this. Okay, draw a number line and then plus infinity and minus infinity, but we don't need this infinity right in this case. Okay, 0 and 7. Check the question. Is equality symbol here? Yes, equality symbol is here. So which means dark circle both sides, which means x belongs to closed brackets 0 comma 7. Next example. This is the last and final example. Okay. Okay, x wait, let me check. Let me give a good example. This is the example. Okay, so x is lesser than or equal to 5 and it's greater than minus 3. Represent this in a number line. So represent it like this: minus 3 and 5. See, on minus 3 there is no equality symbol, which means it's an hollow circle. On 5 there's an equality symbol, so dark circle comes here and we join this. It implies that x belongs to open bracket minus 3 comma 5 and close bracket here. Since 5 is included but 3 is not included, minus 3 is not included, so on minus 3 we put an open bracket, on 5 we put a closed bracket. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you understood all the concepts which I taught you today. If you like this video, if you understood all the concepts, please do like, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.